Look at this poor AP Calc student in his natural habitat. He is struggling of various things, mostly being lack of sleep, lack of mathematical skills, lack of studying, and procrastination. May he find peace. A suspicious fellow has decided to approach the AEP Calc students in question. They begin to converse. It turns out the suspicious fellow is also an AP Calc student. He approaches with the offer of help. They then begin to study. Having no sleep and no food and studying for several days, our students' survival depends on this upcoming test. What have you learned?
I've learned a lot. Let me show you. So, on the first problem, I did the chain rule wrong. When I took the derivative of the outside portion, I forgot to take the derivative of the inside portion, which I needed to take outside, and I multiplied both of the derivatives. So, the second problem was u sub, and I didn't know how to do u sub in the beginning, but now I know that you take u as a part of the function, and du as a derivative of u. And after that, you take the modified function with u and du in it, and you integrate that. And in the end, you can sub back u if you need to. For the last question, I got mixed up with the Riemann sum. After taking the change in x for the subinterval, I didn't know what to multiply that with. But now I know that I multiply it with the leftmost value of the y. And I keep doing that down the line until I reach the rightmost value, which at that point I don't do anything with that. And I take everything I've done so far in subintervals and I add it all up to get my final product.
This is integration by parts. Why are you looking at it? It is a BC concept only reserved for the most cultured. Now, the equation in question is the integral of u dv equals to uv minus the integral of v du. Looking further, the problem in question allows for integration by parts to be used multiple times, as shown by u being used twice. The variables in question that you must need to plug in are u, dv, du, and v. Now then, let's take a look at another problem. Okay. This is yet another calc BC concept, solving for arc lengths, specifically a parametric problem. Now, this problem has three variables, x, t, and y. The equation is the integral from b to a of the square root of dx dt squared plus dy dt squared of dt. Plugging in all the values, we can then solve. Armed with this newfound knowledge, the calc student decides to take his test. He is extremely confident. However, we did not see him after. Our sources tell us that he failed.